Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn for Fun. What's up guys? I'm your host Sylvia. So today I'll be making these super yummy and equally healthy Ragi Laddoos with no sugar. So let's get started. For this we'll need 2 cups of ragi flour, 1/4 cup of pistachios, 1/4 cup of walnuts, 1 cup of jaggery or coconut sugar or any other sweetener you prefer, half cup flaxseed meal, 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, it's optional, 1/4 cup of dates de-seeded, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, and 1/4 cup of clarified butter. Let's start by dry roasting all the nuts. Set them aside to cool. Now let's also roast the flaxseed meal and the chia seeds. Once roasted, set it aside to cool. And now let's roast the ragi flour or the finger millet flour. We have to make sure that we roast it for about 30 to 40 minutes on a slow flame. Make sure that you don't burn it. It has to have a nice aroma. So please make sure that you roast it on low to medium flame and not on high flame. Otherwise the flour will burn and then the laddoos will have that burnt smell. This looks done, so now let's set it aside to cool. Now let's grind the dates, the dry fruits, the flax seeds and the chia seeds that we roasted earlier into a coarse texture, not very fine, like so. Now let's add the melted clarified butter or melted ghee and give it a nice mix. Combine everything thoroughly. You can also use your hands to mix it thoroughly. This looks good. Now the fun part begins of rolling them into laddoos. If you prefer, you can have other family members help you out. Even the kids can help you in rolling, and this can be a little fun activity for the family. If you think that the mixture is a little dry, you can add a few more teaspoons of the melted clarified butter or ghee. Similarly, make the remaining laddoos. And your ragi laddoos are ready. Look at them. Don't they look glorious? Everyone in your family can enjoy these bite-sized laddoos. Okay, let me try one. I cannot tell you how yummy it is. Mouthful of goodness, for sure. So do try this recipe. I am sure you will love it. If you have time, you can make a bigger batch and store it in the refrigerator. You can have these during snack time or in between meals instead of having something unhealthy. This is really a very good healthy option. I hope that you like this recipe video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thanks again for watching and supporting my channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy cooking.